Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing my makeup only using Wet n Wild products. So you want to see how I accomplish this makeup look, just keep watching, and at the end of the video don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more of me later on. I have here the Wet n Wild Primer Focus Primer Serum and get a tiny bit of it, and I'm gonna put it all over my face. Oh, I never used this before. It smells good. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. So now I also have here the, what is the name? Ultimate Brow Micro Brown Pencil by Wet n Wild as well. It comes in this package. Fine right there. Oh, I like it. Okay, so now we're gonna move on and do our eyeshadow. So I bought this Wet n Wild, not a basic peach. I was gonna say beach, not like playa, meaning like cuero. So this is the palette right here. Try to zoom in, put it like that. And I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna see what I do. And what I like about Wet n Wild palettes, they actually tell you for what each thing is. Like it says transition color, like the transition shade, and like it give you in the back, it tells you of ways that you can create, like what kind of makeup look you can create with this palette. And the colors are very nice. I fell in love when I saw it, so that's why I bought this one. Okay, so like I say, I really don't know what I'm going for of the kind of look I'm gonna be doing. With the transition shade. Let me show you. So I use this transition shade on the crease, and I call the cut crease. Then now I'm gonna take the shimmer. I'm gonna add setting spray. This Wet n Wild setting spray to the brush, so the shimmer is more pigmented. Gives me that pop. I had to go back to this eye and actually add more shimmer. Let me add more. Then now I will take this blue right here and add it to the middle of it. Okay, so I'm taking this brown color and put it like in the corner. Like that, zoom inside. Take another blending brush. I'm gonna go back with that transition. Actually, I'm gonna use this color right here. No hambre. Now I'm gonna go on and go do my face. So I'm very excited to try this Wet n Wild foundation. When they came out with this foundation, not this one specifically, but the matte one, that was my holy grail foundation back in the before. It wasn't like that long ago, but like it was my holy grail. I used to love it that much, so I'm very excited to try the dewy one. I had not tried this, I had not tried the dewy, but I had tried the other one before, and the color that I bought was the light medium. Let me just open this. I remember this packaging so well. It smells the same way. Kind of smell like nail polish. So yeah, I'm gonna apply. Okay, let's move on. We can fix this. So then I have here the Wet n Wild photofocus concealer. It looks so white. Gonna apply concealer. How I normally do. Okay, so I don't have a translucent powder, but I'm gonna use the my Holy Grail contour palette. I use this is like my contour palette. Like I do have high end, but I really love the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour and Dulce de Leche. If you haven't tried this, guys, I don't know what you guys waiting for. This is the best. So I'm gonna look, as you can see, I love this very much because I'm already heating pan. I don't know, added concealer on, I will do that. So that's that. I need color. I look like so white. I don't match. My skin don't match. My face don't match with my skin. I will take, let me use this brush. So I'm going to start contouring. I'm using the same product that I'm like, so I love this. You guys have to go and buy it. I have here the Wet n Wild Boost Length Augment or that's another language. Wet n Wild Waterproof Mascara right there. I really like the brush, like applicator. Let's see. I'm going to add highlight and blush. I have here the Hello Halo blush lighter. It's like a duo. It's a highlight and blush at the same time. I don't know, you can see it there. And the name of After Sex Glow. Let's see. Very blushy look. Okay, I will add setting spray. I have the Wet n Wild Photofocus finish matte. This one right here. Setting spray. That's that. So for highlight, I already showed you guys. I will can use this. If you let me show you, that'll be perfect. Let me focus. I'm gonna add this. Wow, you guys, I'm speechless. This highlight is so poppin', so glowy for being from the drugstore and so affordable how it is. And don't even look at my lips because they are chapped. I forgot to even tell you guys what is this. This is a Wet n Wild Get Lip Gel Lip Liner. Maybe no, I'm gonna do the orange. And the color Bare to Common. Is that the name? Who knows? So then I have the Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick. The name is Flame of the Game. just like this. It's a very bright final look only using Wet n Wild makeup products. So see you in the next video. Bye.